Hello viewers, in this video I will tell you what causes dark circles under your eyes. Dark circles under your eyes happen when the skin beneath both eyes appears darkened. Dark circles under your eyes can happen for many reasons. One of the most common causes of dark circles is aging. As you age, the skin below your eyes begins to loosen and thin out. So the blood vessels under your skin may become more visible. This can darken the appearance of your under eyes. Hollowed areas called tear troughs may develop as well. Tear troughs cause shadows that increase the appearance of puffy eyes. Other causes of dark circles under your eyes may include genetics. Studies have shown that dark circles under your eyes may run in families. Dermatitis. Eczema and contact dermatitis can cause the blood vessels under your eyes to dilate and show through your skin. Rubbing your eyes. Rubbing and scratching your eyes can cause your under eyes to swell and your blood vessels to break. Lack of sleep. Poor sleeping habits cause the skin under your eyes to appear pale. Your blood vessels can easily show through your skin. Hyperpigmentation. Too much exposure to the sun triggers your body to make more melanin. Melanin is the substance, pigment, that gives your skin its color. Dehydration. The skin under your eyes can start to look dull when you don't drink enough water. Lifestyle factors. Other factors such as stress, excessive alcohol use and smoking can cause dark circles under your eyes. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.